All right, we're going to have the Professional Standards Commission revisions. We have a public comment from Sukitu Gandhi.
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
Okay, name is again, I'm going to, because if different people have, my name is Suketu Gandhi, Suketu Gandhi, Gandhi. I'm talking here because I'm a parent, and also I have a far deeper understanding on the science and mathematics side due to my education in that area. And I won't go into detail of my education in that area, but just to go over that I have the necessary qualification to make it. In elementary school, a teacher should make sure that they have had adequate courses equivalent of Algebra 2 for KG through third grade. Purpose of having them this type of courses is they can teach and challenge their student at higher level for this. Because you're going to be doing algebra, it's just that student can do algebra in first grade, second grade, they don't call it algebra. Instead of using a variable x, y, and z, you would use a variable like weight of sugar, flour, and oil on it. That's how you would solve algebra problem. So if your teachers are very much fluent, and there are students who are going to be advanced in it, who will be, and you want to make sure that teachers can challenge them, not stagnate. So you want to make sure that KG through third grade teacher have the courses up to Algebra 2 on that. Number 2, KG grade 4 through 6 teacher, make sure that they have mathematics courses at the level up to pre-calculus for the same reason. So they can answer a student's question, they can challenge them, and they can give it's more to do with a mathematical maturity when teachers have that higher level course, so they can challenge their students on this. And when they take courses, and do not take, those courses should never be taken from a Department of Education or Education Department, however it is called, or College of Education. They should be taken from a mathematics professor because they know mathematics thoroughly. It is based on logic, derivation, and not memorization. And those concepts makes a big difference on how they learn and how they will be taught. For grade 6 through 12, you want to make sure that students, just one second, so many of them. Okay, grades 6 through 12. One thing is that teachers should be familiar with or know computer language. Which computer language should they know? Fortran 77, Fortran 90, C, C++, assembly language, from among many others. Computer language have evolved significantly. What is the goal? What is it for? Is it for scientific programming or something else? That thing was not specific at all in the endorsement. In mathematics for grade 6 through 12, missing a course, you identify how many hours of courses that a teacher should have. You have to be very specific course. You have to make sure that they have all 3 semesters of calculus, not just 2 semesters of calculus. Standard third semester is a multivariable calculus. You do double into the purpose of that thing is that have them mathematical maturity so they can teach at a student, and they can still motivate the rare students who will come across them to a higher level. That is the purpose. The missing course is a linear and matrix algebra. Linear and matrix algebra should be taught in every high school, and if they have the familiarity, they can teach it, and that thing is integrated with physics a lot, and it is that thing has to be taught, and that thing is not even incorporated at all. Then for AP teachers, if you're going to be it, not only you have to have all the courses up to calculus 3 semester, make sure that they also take a course in real analysis, because real analysis course is about derivation, and they do delta epsilon proof, and that's where the mathematics and courses will be extremely useful. So they can be teaching the courses, and the way that students are doing, I would like to have students take AP Calculus BC in grade 11, not grade 12. And that's the way the standard should be, or that's the way direction should be. And that's why a teacher has to be prepared, and all of them should be taking courses from the mathematics department, not from a education department. The next one is courses in endorsement for physical science. The requirements are very vague, as it is stated in the IDPA rule, the proposed rule on that. in physics, you're going to teach electricity and magnetism, classical mechanics, and optics and waves. Where do you take those courses if you only have a 12 semester? 12 semesters are equivalent of AP courses in colleges. They have mechanics, electricity and magnetism, and optics, waves, and modern physics. And the remaining courses have to be specified. They have, if they're going to teach AP courses, and I prefer that teachers have 2 levels higher before they teach a full year of physics, meaning that they have a mechanics course, they have electricity and magnetism course, because in electricity and magnetism full year course, you have electrostatic, magnetostatics, and Maxwell's equation. And because they will be discussed, and I prefer that teachers have that full year courses before they become certified. And there is also case in optics, because optics is going to be taught in a full year of physics, but not in AP physics. They don't have the background to do that. If they're going to be teaching optics, question is you're not requiring them to have a course in optics, because the course should exceed 20 semester hours of required physics. And there will be additional requirement whether you're AP Physics C certified or not. Other one for the physical science, again, 20 semester credit hours is rather very vague. The specific has to be there so that teachers are highly proficient in the subject they teach. That will be in chemistry. They should have 1 full year of general chemistry, 3 semesters of general physics, that is mechanics, electricity, and magnetism, optics, and wave, 1 semester of organic chemistry, 1 semester of inorganic chemistry, and 1 semester of quantum mechanics, or 1/2 of it physical chemistry. Another half is thermodynamics and statistical mechanics, the 2nd semester of physical chemistry. That is a missing part in the physical science. Quantum mechanics is needed in chemistry, so teacher understand where the periodic table comes from. And that is atomic orbital comes from. They will not teach in a senior or a junior year of chemistry course a molecular orbital, but you will do atomic orbitals. Therefore, you need to have quantum mechanics, period. For a chemistry course going on to 20 semesters hours is just too little to cover to be effective teacher in classroom. Requirement should be general chemistry 1 year, which covers 8 semester hours, 1 semester of organic chemistry, which covers 4 hours, 1 semester of inorganic chemistry and laboratory, which covers 4 semester hours. The missing course is again 3 semesters of general physics, that is in mechanics, electricity, magnetism, optics, waves, and modern physics. Upper division, quantum mechanics from chemistry is 1 semester, or quantum mechanics from physics consists of 2 semesters. Thermodynamics, statistical mechanics from chemistry. Teachers need to know all these topics if they're going to be teaching all of these courses. And again, I have written down in this IDPA endorsement comment, very specific. It is hoped that they will understand that, and because of my knowledge in this area of chemistry and physics, I'm in better position to make this very detailed comments.
Great, thank you. We'll certainly get this to our certification director to respond and put with our public comments with that rule. Thank you.